Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Segment I is incorrect because the three if statements are independent. For any positive value of numboxes, the last condition, numbox is greater than 0, is true, so total cost is always reset to numboxes times 5.0, which ignores the discount tiers. Segment 2 is correct because it uses an if-else-if-else structure. If numbox is greater than 10, the cost is computed using USD 1.50 per box. Otherwise, if numbox is greater than 5, the cost is computed using USD 30 per box. All remaining positive values must be between 1 and 4, so the else correctly uses USD $5 per box. Segment 3 is incorrect because the first condition, numbox is greater than 0, is always true under the precondition, so the later else-if conditions are never reached as. Great job tracing through that code. Remember to track each variable carefully. Practice with Sovi to build your Java debugging skills.